afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day, a new week, almost a new month. It has gotten a bit later in the afternoon. We had some storms come over and I was feeling a little rough, but I am going to try and get myself on track. So luckily I have some pre-prepped stuff that's going to make lunch much easier. This is the Arby's Copycat chicken salad that I made, and I'm just going to make a chicken salad sandwich using some of the dark rye bread from Kroger and some Swiss cheese slices, some lettuce. I also pre-prepped a chicken and gnocchi soup, which is really good, by the way, and I am going to reheat a serving of that. I have a blood orange. Yep, just making sure that was the right one. So I have a blood orange. And then from Aldi, I found these sparkling pomegranate juice. Now, I haven't tried this. I haven't opened them. But one can is 50 calories. And it's basically a juice combination. Now, that is going to be 13 of my carbs for the day. If I like it. I'm not generally a fan of sparkling water. I think that stuff like LaCroix or any of those that are basically fizzy water with a little hint of some kind of flavor, I don't like those. But I'm hoping that this will have a decent amount of juice in there. So I'm going to try one of those, and then that will be brunch. No idea what I'm going to do for dinner at this point, but let's see what we end up with. All right, so that's what they look like. So I opened that. Oh, y'all, it is horrible. I mean, it is beyond, for me, it is beyond icky. Like it tastes like, it definitely does not taste like any juice, given how much juice they say is in there. And it's not as seltzer water sparkly, you know, as like some of them. It is slightly carbonated, but obviously my throat doesn't like it either. No. I had about 2 swallows out of there, and I'm gonna pour the rest of this one out, and I'll donate this to my cousins because that is not my thing at all. Okay, so here's what I'm having. I have the dark rye bread with 2 of the Swiss cheese slices and the chicken salad, half of the blood orange soup, and then I just have lettuce on the other piece. So this is the amount of chicken salad that I used out of that, just under a third. If you didn't see my prep video where I made the chicken salad, this is rotisserie chicken, red grapes, celery, Granny Smith apple, Greek yogurt, mustard, and poppy seeds, oh, and almonds. Yeah. So, but there is, I did this on my first kitchen adventures video, but there is tons of recipes for different chicken salads. This just is the one that I did, and the link for the recipe that I based it on is in the description box, as always. Hey, so I was working out what I was going to have for dinner and tracked everything there, and I'm pretty close on most of my macros except protein. And I have like 275 calories left, and then the bulk of those are protein calories. There's some carbs and I think fats right at the line. So I remembered that at Aldi, I had bought some of this Biltong to try. This is like, Biltong is like South African jerky. I had it in New Zealand and I haven't ever seen it here. So I was kind of excited. Okay, what do we have? This is beef, smoke flavor, vinegar, salt, raisin juice concentrate. It is 90 calories with 2 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 16 grams of protein for one serving. And they say there are 2 servings in here. The whole bag is 210 with 5 grams of fat, 1 carb, and 36 grams of protein. So I'm going to see how much protein I need, because I calorie-wise, I have enough for the whole bag, but let me see what I need protein-wise, and I will weigh this out and have this as a little snack. All right, let's do dinner because I'm already tired. So, oh, see, just talking about it. All right, since I had bread and gnocchi in the soup for lunch, I have used most of my carbs, and I didn't have a whole lot of protein. There was chicken in the soup and there was chicken in the chicken salad, but most of my calories that are left were that I needed to bulk up some protein. So I'm going to try, Kroger had these. I haven't tried these before. This is a beef, pork, and chicken meatball. And 6 meatballs are 240 with 20 grams of fat. So that means this is probably like an 80%, possibly a 73%. With, let's see, 5 carbs and 12 protein. That's for 6. I've tracked 8. So I'm going to do 8 of those. Then I have some fresh green beans, and I'm going to do 3 green bean bundles wrapped in some bacon. I hate cooking bacon. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just cook all of this at one time so it only makes the mess the one time. I did plan for breakfast tomorrow. I actually want 3 pieces, so I might just put 3 pieces of these away. I'm going to use 3 pieces on the green beans. I don't know how many that's going to leave me. That might not leave me too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. And then this is the Sam's Club stir fry mix. This is broccoli, sugar snaps, carrots, peppers, water chestnuts, baby corn, and mushrooms. This is a 1-pound bag. I'm going to use, which is 454 grams. I think I tracked, because I was really close on the carbs. So this is not bad. It's 25 calories a cup with 4 grams carbs. And I think I had about 150 grams tracked-ish. So I'll see what I've got tracked there. But I'm just going to heat up these. And the meatballs are fully cooked, I believe. Keep frozen. Yeah, fully cooked. So I'm going to put the green bean bacon wraps in the air fryer. I'll put the meatballs in the same time, and then I'll just steam these, and that will be dinner.